Pinaragal ng alkalde ng San Mateo sa Linggal ang pagtatapon ng basura ng Maynila.
Abi-kabila ang tambak ng basura.
Suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you!
My question is, how can we encourage more students to care for the environment?
Siguro by simply pagtatapon ng basura sa tamang tapunan ng basurahan.
Magtapon sa tamang basurahan, kundi gawin din.
I think the best way to influence students as a teacher is of course to teach them the different things on how to love their environment.
We're coming down to the ground. There's no better place to go. We got snow upon the mountains.